Good morning, friends. We all know that this is Diwali season. Tomorrow is Diwali, Crackers Day. So, as a sort of joy, when Satyabhama killed Narakasura, so they all celebrated. And when she was coming back with Lord Krishna, these crackers were fired, and from there, Hindus, as a custom, they fire. And they used to explode. I cannot say explode. They used to use the crackers, but there are certain crackers which cause danger to the lives of the particularly old people like me. Suppose if you hear the sound of a cracker which is like a bomb, then normally suddenly they will be. So if he is a heart patient, there are chances of losing the valuable life also. And protection life is the most important. Therefore, taking it in consideration, the Supreme Court of India, every year it will be giving directions that not to use firecrackers. Sometimes they have recommended the use of green crackers. So, the High Court of Calcutta, actually the High Court of Calcutta supported the version of the state of Calcutta. They have clearly given orders banning all type of firecrackers to be used in Diwali, to be used in Kali Puja, Chhat Puja, they will do it. That Dabur ad very recently has been deleted. That Chhat Puja, Jagadhari Puja, so many things, Christmas and then New Year's Day. So nothing should be done. Like that they have given a blanket ban. So therefore, the Firecrackers Association will be there. So they have instigated, or anyway, a case has been come to the before the Supreme Court, right? So on November 1st, I believe. This you can see it against Gautam Roy and another versus State of West Bengal. SLP number civil number 17991 by 2021. It was decided on 1st November 2021, day before yesterday. So actually what happened is the State of West Bengal has clearly banned entire crackers, all kinds of crackers, including green crackers also. So during Kali Puja, during Diwali, during Chhat Puja, during Jagadhari Puja, during Guru Nanak birthday, and also Christmas, as well as the New Year celebrations. So this decision was supported by High Court of Calcutta. So two judges bench, that is Patacharya and Anirudh Rai, on 29/10/2021. Right? Actually, this was also a public interest litigation was filed before the Honorable High Court by Roshni Ali, who is an environmental activist. So definitely they supported him. Now the matter was appealed by the Firecrackers Association literally before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court said, in all possibility, it is not we cannot impose a blanket ban on all types of firecrackers. Only the crackers which are hazardous to the health of the people. That is toxic crackers or crackers which are having barium salts, they should be prohibited. This is the order given by the Supreme Court on 29th also. 29th they have clearly stated that the topmost officers, the topmost administrative officers will be held personally liable, personally responsible if any such firecrackers are used by the public. Now the responsibility lies with the top level officers, not on the ground level officers, because they know that ground level officers, maybe due to political influence or whatever, they collude with the firecracker sellers and they take money and they keep silent, because in the name of the so-called sentiment of festive occasion, they should not disturb the people. So Supreme Court, knowing all these things, they have banned only so-called the crackers which are having the barium salts. And Supreme Court also commented that the state of West Bengal, before giving the orders, they should take into consideration the industry, the so-called manufacturer, how many people are there, how many people are working, then what about the alternative measures to them? Is it not? But please remember, the celebrations cannot be cut off. They should not be at the cost of health of others. But you have to celebrate any function, is it not? So if green crackers are used, okay, like that. So please remember. And it also suggested the state of West Bengal to ban the import of the so-called firecrackers or related items into the state, then automatically this will stop. So with this advice, the High Court order, Calcutta High Court order has been set aside, and of course Supreme Court two judges bench M.R. Shah and held by M.R. Shah, they clearly held that if the police and the top administrative officers, if they take it personally, definitely the barium salt crackers cannot be used. If used, they will be personally liable in any state. So top officers now, they have been given certain directions, we can say, and a warning also that they will be held liable. Definitely they can give instructions to all the junior officers who have to follow, because departmental protocol will be there. Anyway, good decision by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Thank you very much, and once again in advance wish you happy Diwali. Don't explode crackers with barium salts. Thank you.